everyone! So today we're going to be making some DIY Halloween gift baskets for kids. I'll show you some of the stuff that I got to fill these baskets. They're for my nieces and my nephew. I got almost all of the things for these gift baskets from my local grocery store, from Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Target. So we'll just jump right into it. So the first thing I picked up were these adorable gift baskets. So you can't have a Halloween gift basket without candy. At Dollar Tree, I picked up these. They're little candy vampire things, and I thought they were so cute. And then we got some Day of the Dead lollipops. We got some Halloween themed candy bracelets. And then I just grabbed these from Dollar General because they're gummy snacks and I know that the kids love gummy snacks. So the next thing I got were coloring books. These were $1 at my local grocery store, so I just knew I had to add them to their gift baskets. I also knew that I wanted the kids to have something to do, so I went ahead and I got some crafts for them to do. I know that all of them love painting, so I got this for them from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Dollar Tree, and this is just like you make your own silly faces with the stickers in the front, and they're just blank faces, and I thought the kids would really enjoy that. I also got this Halloween treat bag that the kids can color themselves from Dollar Tree. This I got from Target. It was $1, and it's just these little Frankenstein's monster pieces, and you can just color it. It says on the back that you can use it for table decor, you could make garland out of it, so I thought that they would really enjoy these. I also got them each a Halloween cup. So I also wanted to include something that they could play with, so of course I got them toys. I got them some Slinkies. Again, these were $1 from Dollar Tree. I thought it was a fun classic toy that the kids would really enjoy. I got these little solar stake lights. You just pull out this tag and it lights up, and I thought that the kids could carry it around on Halloween night so they could really be seen. I got my youngest niece a little skeleton bird. She really likes birds, so I thought that she would enjoy this. For my nephew, I know he likes bugs and scorpions and stuff like that, so I got him this glow-in-the-dark scorpion. Then I know that the kids really like these slapstick bracelets, so I picked up some for them. And then I got this bracelet. It lights up for $1 at Dollar General, and I knew that they would really like that too. Something else that they could wear during Halloween night to be seen. I got these from Target. They're the little toys that you put in water and then they grow over the course of a few days, and I know I enjoyed these as a kid, so I thought that they would really like them as well. I got these little lanterns that they could put in their room. I thought that would make a cool little night light for them during this, during the Halloween season. And last, I got socks for the kids because, normally kids hate socks as gifts, but I thought that these would be a little different and they might enjoy them a little more than normal socks. So now on to actually making these gift baskets. here we have our finished product. Super easy, super simple, super cheap. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.